Today, we're diving into 3-axis machining, a highly cost-effective CNC machining solution. 3-axis machining is a common CNC process where the cutting tool moves along the X, Y, and Z axes, rotating at high speed to remove material, while the workpiece remains fixed on the work table. It is widely used for flat surface machining, drilling, grooving, and simple 3D contouring, making it one of the most versatile and fundamental techniques in CNC machining. 3-axis machining offers several key benefits. Cost-effective. It's an affordable solution with simpler equipment and programming compared to more complex systems. High precision, perfect for standard parts and batch production, ensuring tight tolerances. Quick turnaround. The straightforward programming and shorter machining cycles enable faster production, boosting overall efficiency. However, 3-axis machining has its limitations. It's restricted in machining angles and can't handle complex multi-sided parts in one setup. For more intricate parts, you may need multiple setups or secondary operations. 3-axis machining remains a reliable and economical option for producing simple, high-precision parts, such as mold components, structural parts, and standard mechanical components. Whether machining aluminum, stainless steel, or plastics, this process ensures consistent quality and fast, efficient production. Need high-precision 3-axis machining? FastPreci provides top-quality CNC solutions with quick turnaround. Contact us today